Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my monthly unboxing from Simply Earth. This is an essential oil recipe box for the month of November. I'm going to dig out the cards here at the bottom and the labels. So each box has a bunch of stickers so you can label your products. And there are different recipe cards. I think I have them backwards here. The first one is called Cheerful Giver Roll-On. This box is centered around little things you can make and give people. On the back of that card, it talks about how they donate 13% of the proceeds to a different human trafficking charity each month. We have Winter Flower Bath Salts. That sounds fun. And on the back of that card, it shows you all the essential oils and the extras and the safeties for those oils. Love that. Then we have a Holiday Spice Diffuser Blend. Sneak peek at next month's box. We have Bumps and Boo Boos, the Balsam Fir, Lime, and Geranium as the essential oils. Next recipe, Essential Oil Bottle Reed Diffuser. And you can use your Holiday Spice Diffuser blend in there. On the back of that card is a note from Katie, who's the recipe formulator at Simply Earth. I could never say that word. Mini macrame plant hanger? Is that how you say it? I've turned into my mom. I used to always tease her because she can never pronounce things right. And now suddenly I'm turning into that. So that's fun for me. The recipe continues on the back of that one. It shows you how to tie it so that you can hang it. That's really cool. And then this card, okay, there is one on the back. This has a Royalty Facial Serum recipe. And then on the back, it tells you how you can get half off your next box. You can refer people. I do have a code below where you can get a $45 gift card. So I will put that in the description box. But let's take a look at the other goodies. We have this little glass bottle for the face serum. I've gotten one of these before in a previous box. It's so adorable. It's a little dropper bottle. Also have a little tube with a cap. Top for the diffuser, rather. And then the little reeds that go with that. And the essential oils. So the first one is called Focus. And that has cardamom, frankincense, eucalyptus, and sweet orange essential oils. Bet that one smells really good. Ylang Ylang. Cassia. And the last one is frankincense. Love the smell of that one too. And it tells you what part of the plant it's from, the origin, the aromas. This one says spicy and woody. So lots of information on here. So if you're new to essential oils, they make it really easy for you. So that's what I got for my November box. If you guys would like to join and sign up for a subscription, pause. I saw that off to the side. There's the little kit for your little plant hanger. Forgot to show that. I just kind of tossed it to the side. But I will put all the information in the description box below in case you're interested. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.